Welcome to the stream. We back again to do some questions about some. That should be here. Let's go. We back, and now let's see. Let's see. Is this started? Yes, this started. So let's see what are the question here today. We are going to learn what we have learned right now. Yesterday we learned about that. We did this, okay. What is constructor? What is constructor? Constructors. Types of constructor, okay. What are types of constructor? Default constructor, okay. Car system outprint. Oh, this is for Java, right? C++ car string model and GUI. Basis for constructor. A copy constructor, car constructor. Hi, welcome to the stream. Beast of Gaming. What's up? So today we are learning about constructor now. I don't know, man. I think you have changed your name. If I don't forget people very much. I don't know Beast of Gaming, man. I know Beast Gaming, maybe. I think I know that, but I don't know Beast Op. What is Op, bro? I don't. I think you have changed your name. If I'm not wrong, you have changed your name. Yes. What was your name before? If you could tell me what was your name 5 years ago, then I would say like, okay, I understand what's your. Is my voice clear or not? By the way, architect, architect. So I think I know architect. Yeah, yeah. I think Free Fire era. Yeah, Free Fire era. Who were you in my Free Fire era? I would like to call it my Free Fire era, where I used to play Free Fire. Right. So you were also there. We stop gaming. Can you just tell me if my audio is good or not? Like, is it audible? Car and speed string. Yeah, and yeah, make sure to like this stream. And nowadays, I'm just doing some programming here. Life has caught up. And I'm, yeah, man. Yeah, those were the days, man. Those were the days, golden days of life, you can say, where there was no responsibility, no pressure, or yeah, you could play Free Fire all day, all long. Nobody would say anything. Yeah, man, it was a good day. Good day. But, you know, what are you doing nowadays? If I may ask, what are you doing nowadays? Are you also in programming or like what? Is everything okay, man? What is up? String. I mean, life has, it's been 5 years, so maybe everything has changed. Maybe, yeah. Plus, let's not do plus. Doing my job. What? You are now doing job, man. You are making me feel old, man. What job, man? Are you doing job? What kind of job are you doing? What are you like? You have finished your studies or what? Like, you have finished your studies, like, and you're now doing your job. Crazy, man. Crazy. Job, man. You start doing job. Crazy, man. Name. Understand. I mean, it's crazy, right? Mm. You are doing a job. I will also be doing some job in future, like in 2, 3 years after I finish my study. So yeah, man, it's going to happen soon. So political consultant, bro. What the hell, bro? That's cool as fuck, man. That's crazy. Political consultant. I have not heard what that is. Something related to politics. I may assume. It may be a political consultant. Crazy, man. Crazy. I have never thought of that you would be doing some political consultant. Man, crazy. Good for you, man. Good for you, man. I'm just here, doing some programming now. What can I say? I mean, life is good. I hope your life is also good. You have found your place. Zero goes. I don't want things to change. I was like, okay. Yeah, I forgot something to this. Oh, we should be able to execute this. Okay, but there is no display. Someone plays the same constructor. Hmm. See light to your face. See light to your face. I don't really get it. She say what she want you to say. At the end of the day, I'm still getting money. I'm still getting paid. Let's go, man. She wants. She wants Gucci. She wants some Gucci. She wants Gucci. Gucci Louis and Fluda. Something like that, man. I don't know the next way. It's crazy song. I like that song. Copy construction. Hilario. I'm a molding like crazy right now. What is molding over now, bro? The heck is molding? Yeah. Don't use British English on me, man. नेपाली में बोला यार कि the molding meaning. Molding meaning like to copy construct jobs. Who is molding, man? The word molding also molding is a general definition of molding is the process of shaping a metal. Molding refers to decorative use of wall shaping influence. Bro, doesn't make any sense. Molding like crazy meaning. Okay, shaping or forming thing. You are making something. That's what it means, I guess. Okay, back to the topic. Copy constructor. Scenario face. Scenario face. I don't really care what she say. Scenario face. I don't really care. She say what she want you to say. At the end of the day, I'm still getting money regardless. I'm still getting paid. I'm still getting money. I'm still getting paid. Still getting money. I'm still getting paid. C1 Lucy, C1 Gucci, Louis, and Fruity. Uh, leave the pocket empty or something like that. Still out of your face. It's really wanted. She wanted to say, but at the end of the day, I said, man, I'm still getting money. Regardless, I'm still getting paid. Malding, bro. What the heck, man? Why are you malding, man? Malding, meaning in Nepali. माल्डिङ भन्ने शब्द एउटा इन्टरनेट स्ल्याङ हो यो खास गरी म्याड रिसाएको र बाल्डिङ टाउको चाहिँ हुँदै जानु टाउको चाहिँ हुँदै जानु शब्दको मिलाएर बनेको छ उर्साएर टाउको यो खुइलिँदैछ ए लाइक ओके लाइक बाल्डिङ प्लस म्याड इक्वल्स टु माल्डिङ क्रेजी भाइ स्ल्याङहरू मान्छेलाई के आउँछ आई डोन्ट नो स्ल्याङ्स यति धेरै स्ल्याङ्स she lied to your face, she shared she wanted to say, but at the end of the day, I'm still getting money regardless, I'm still getting paid. C1 Gucci, Louis and Foodie, uh, living pocket like a kid here. I was once supposing, but I knew that someone, she lied to your face, I really want a song, wanted to say, but at the end of the day, I'm still getting money regardless of this is necessary. So I Gucci, Louis, signing for it, and signing for the ship too. Do you know any other languages? Yes, I know C. C, I know. Yes, bro. I know C language. I know C language. I know. Is HTML a language? Hypertext Master. Yeah, HTML is also language. So I know HTML. I know C, and I know some JavaScript. And yeah, I don't know. I don't. I think CSS is not a language, so I don't know CS. But I will be learning some new languages soon after I finish this course. Because in my course I have to learn C++. plus plus. I think C++ plus plus is a good language for database DSA, which is going to come in future semester that I'm going to learn. Thing is, I have DSA in third semester. Okay, I'm in second semester. I have DSA in third semester, and I've heard that DSA is very much difficult than you know. It's like the DSA meaning like data structure algorithm. He knows Bhojpuri language also. Yes, I know. Comedy in the chat. So what does Drake say? W in the chat. W in the chat. W in the chat, guys. Okay, so okay, let me. Why do I need to make two? Okay, let me just make one and I will just make copy. Oh shit. No. Copy, paste. Let me make okay, like it's C1. C1 dot display. This is a copy constructor. Okay, this is a very in C2 we have to write and C2 equals to C1. Now this is copy constructor if I'm not wrong. Okay. And now we can write C2 dot a minor बोलते हैं A minor A minor the line is crazy but A minor is very basic line if you are a musician and if you want to say someone a pedophile my A minor is like I think it's an old joke if I think I was like it's kind of basic A minor I think Kendrick also watched Insta memes and wrote that line, I think. C1. No, no, no. Let me just. Int S is int S was 200. And now we write C1 dot display. C2 dot display. Okay, resistor. Bro, I think I need to do this first and see out. W's in the chat, guys. W in the chat. And this is save. This is copy. I have already learned copy constructor. Or what? There is already a file for copy constructor. Mhm. C1 dot speed. C1 dot speed. C1 dot speed. Mm. Okay, bro. React. Best of clock. Best of clock for React. Till then, let me do my C plus plus. Oh, I'm still getting money. Still getting paid. The end of the day, I'm still getting money. Copy constructor बनेगा like it's like this. What model C dot year and C car and C. So if I don't write this, okay, let me just don't write this and delete this C2, and then I save this. Then I save this, and I run this program. So there is like, okay, I did copy constructor, but this is not like this is a regular copy constructor. This is a regular constructor, and this is copy constructor. So what does this actually do? Like if I write this something like car two equals to car one, I did this. So is this correct? Like is this uh, correct for copy constructor? Does it and does not as well, but there are some good details. So you wrote a class car with a parameter with display method and C2C1. What did you write? Did you not define a copy constructor manual? But C plus automatically use the paper copy constructor, which was style a copy that the because you are using simple type engine string. Okay, should you define a copy constructor? You don't need to in this example because intent string and the copy safely string uses deep copy internally, no pointer dynamic memory involved. So like, if you want to define a copy instructor manually, we have to instruct like this, right? Like speed equals to, so manually we have to write even if you thought you know, but only this case, but it's a written that. So like for manually, we have to write like this cart const call and then we have to write speed goes to c dot speed, then name goes to c dot name. This should also give that answer. Yeah. End of the day, I'm still getting money, and regardless, I'm still getting paid. Okay. List all types of constructor and points. So constructor, primary constructor, static constructor, private constructor, default constructor, declaring constructor, conversion constructor, move constructor, C++ learning. Parameterize. What is parameterized constructor? What is a parameter constructor? Is a constructor that takes argument to initialize an object with specific values when it is created. Okay, I mean this is okay. This is okay. Done. This is done. Default constructor, where is constructor? Okay, understood. So now not input. We have the folder. What are the types? What are types of this structure? Is this structure? Default structure using default structure, virtual structure, pure virtual structure, no, C++. Default structure, class, my class, no structure defined compiler, user defined structure. Okay, structure is called, what is the structure? So if I make here the structure, um, bomb, right card, CR, this structure is, this structure is, let's see, executed. This structure is executed. So the ball, Abhishek is the goal, the knife, guitar, Abhishek at the back, ball in the car. And it is destructor, right? Destructor is usually used for clearing up memory space. Yes, that's right. So what is in the stream? Just content. I think I should do file handling, but yeah, I need to like set up so many things, and I don't want to do that, so I will not do file handling right now. Create a class of critical objects on this strategy class when having a true size and price, which is square the data when to get the data research, so put data benefits paper to example. Oh gee, what is this? We have this. I cannot copy this. I need to go and okay, let's do this. Not here. Here. Yeah. I wish I was a ball, or I wish I was a goal, as a goal, as a tall, I wish I was in class. That's all I is like a spot, so I had please can do this. Just like create a class author with attributes, name, and qualification, string, name. We didn't use a string here, but still it worked, right? Name. Crazy, I think. We have to use this function, this library called string, then only we can actually do this string thing. So yes, string name now is like a class of and that qualification. Qualification. So we write like bachelor's, something like that. String name. I think I should write and qualification like +2 qualification -2 +2 now. Bachelor's, something like that. String Qualification, qualification. I should do this string qualification, then and also create a class publication. Okay, now we can class publication. I think I am becoming expert in this questions of having inheritance. So from these classes, derive a class. Says derive a class book. Okay, derive a class book. Now again we have next class. That's called book class book. And now there is and having title attribute. Having title attribute. Having attributes title. Okay, title and string title. Then price in price. Okay, let's not do float here. I don't like float. Yeah, it's like a habit of me using it. You know, three classes that should have get data method to get their data from user. Okay. So data from user. So I mean, you are saying that you have to write public void get data. And now we got C out. Enter enter the name and qualification. So you brought out of the shadows ago. And now this is this question, right? See out. Um, there is like see out, we take that see out. Send, no, send, qualification. I will take the qualification. Qualification, see in qualifications, and then get that. Okay. The class should have put data method to display. Okay, now put data method. The class is to create instances of the class book in the main. Access specifier constructors in derived classes. So constructor also. I wish I was a baller. I wish I was a girl. I was a taller. I wish I was a baller. Data. See how it's display this right. Highways name is fucking name like occupation. Book B. There is book B and public for data. The title C in title title C out is title else price. Then we have a price. Price is price. Now publications should have the publication should have what name, qualification. Publication is like Kali, like you don't have anything in publication. So this was a author has name and qualification, publication with P name. Okay, there is like P name, okay, publication name. So we have our name, something. We have something like P name. So now we try to string P name. Now there is P name. So now we write public void name void and get data fast as possible. I mean, I don't have much of a time here to do this now because it's 5 o'clock. So fast time goes. Enter, enter the publication name. Abhishek was the ball or Abhishek was the goal and the goal anymore. And 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 मैंने तुझको देखा हंसते हुए गानों में गानों में मैंने देखा हंसते हुए गानों में publication is being and let's see. So now I think we have done this. The thing is, now we are going to book, right? We are going to access everything on book. So book is going to the main class, and the creating students have a class book in the main. So book is going to be the main class, and book will have everything that you have to know. Like we talk, there's like public, author, public, publication. Because the publication. So there's like save book. Now B has book B dot. Now there's like B dot. Hmm. Get data B dot get data B dot get data B dot put data B dot put data and there's a B dot put, title is let's say it's Harry Potter. I mean, Harry Potter. What we just get data. It's done. So it's like I think we have to write here. It's from get data is from it's from publication. Publication. I am not C++ yet. I still Python. I mean, good for you, man. Python is a very good language to learn because nowadays, AI needs Python, I guess. So, yeah, man, it's very good. I also thought of having some Python in my brain, but right now my brain is occupied by C++, so you cannot give some, you know, I cannot, what was that word? Betray. I cannot betray. I cannot cheat on C++. So right now, I'm with C++. You cannot do this. I need some help here. Functions. Inheritance of one to many main program having um get data process good data for all. Right. I wish I was the ball, or else I wish you all at the mountains. I wish I was a Nah, nah. And to have one base class that can access all other class. Hmm. What is this trying, man? What is this guy saying? Must. Arey bhaiya, what is this guy saying? I think he's not understanding what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is not this. It's not quadruple, but if she's saying calling base class function is to be observed incorrectly. So what is the wrong? Get line? What is this get line? B dot publication. Okay, so this is the okay. This is the right way. Sorry. So this was the right way. We have to do double. Are you even learning at this point? When I wanted to learn C++, I just went to WT school. Oh yeah, man. I am learning for my exam right now. So, I'm just taking out, what are the important topics that I need to learn. And I'm learning like that. I have my exams in a few weeks, so I'm not learning so deeply. I'm not learning that, going to every doing some projects and not like I'm just learning some concept here. Like right now, I'm learning inheritance. I know inheritance. I know inheritance. Yeah, I'm just revising. My teacher has taught me. You can say my professor has taught me. It's not cool to say teacher, but it's like a professor who has taught me. Copy, paste. I mean, this is very difficult. I have not. Is there pointer in my exam or something? A pointers title Harry Potter. Hmm. I think I'm not taking C in or what? Okay, what is going on? Entire the names C in name, right? Something is wrong. I can feel it. I have my code here and it says it's wrong. The code is the stick over takes order of get data call. You're currently in main call b dot get data. Are you into C++ or alone or any other languages? For right now, I'm just in C++, man. I'm just in C++. I don't do any other languages. Before I did C, then now C++. I mean, I've heard that if you know one language, you know all the languages. Like it's just different. Like in Python, like you just have different syntaxes. You know, right? They're like it's the same like this, right? It's just you have a data type, you have variables, you have all these different syntaxes that is used in order to call the function. There's like a recursive function. Maybe also there are some function templates. I think if you know, there's like C is the foundation, they say. C is the foundation of any languages. So if you know C and there's some logic, if you have some logic, you can nowadays do any coding, I think, because there's AI now. But it is also like there are new things for new languages, right? There are new things. Like there is an addition of something, improvement you might say, like update of a language, like C++, and there's like in C also, like C is the first version, then there came C++, then there is C sharp, right? Are kind of similar, but has different updates, like new updates in the game. Yo, bro, welcome to the stream, Morgan. Welcome to the stream. What's up? What's up? How was the day? Okay, so let me just focus here now. Input using CN for strings, order of get data, all three data from it. So the data application author is if you want to get data, data first. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, yeah. But you should only focus in one language, You should be best at one language, but and yeah, and some has and should have some common knowledge in other language, but should only, I've heard like this advice going on here in computer science market that you should only be good at one language, and you should be best at one language and good at others. That's the whole motto at this point, just be good at other language and best at one language. So I'm thinking of being good at best at C++. It has DSA and everything. So I'm thinking of doing this. Okay, let's see how if I will do it in future. Order of get data calls. Currently in main, you call b dot get data first, which is the book's data. So we get call publication author. Usually you would want to get author and publication data first, then the book data. Okay, so copy. So it's saying that usually you would want to get this first in order, right? Now we save this. Now let's run it down into the publication name. It's Disney, let's say. Enter the name of the book, Harry Potter. Then qualification. No, using W3 School is a better than ChatGPT. W3 School. In W3 School, is there a teacher? There's no teacher, right? You can't ask doubts. Can you ask doubts? There's like a yeah, it's good, but you can't ask doubts now. That's what I'm using. Maybe I will look W3 School right now. Wait. Let me just do what enter the qualification. What is wrong with qualification now? Is qualification, enter the qualification, enter the prior, enter the qualification. No, ChatGPT is best because it's fast and reliable. Oh, there's a fight going on in the chat. ChatGPT or W3 School. Yeah, man. Which is the best? If I ask ChatGPT, okay. No, wait, let me just finish this, okay? And then I will ask ChatGPT, should I use W3 School instead of you ChatGPT? Yeah. Let's see again. I did right now. It's like qualification. Why it's not taking qualification? The qualification. Oh, qualification. Why? Name is qualification. Name is qualification. Hey, bro, you need cin dot ignore. What? What? What do you mean? Is that the joke? Is that the joke you want to say? That cin dot ignore? That I should ignore? You did not clear the input buffer. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. What is this? What are you talking about when seen dot ignore? What is seen dot ignore? To understand. It's executing. Ja ja ja. 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 It is working. It is working. What happened? What happened? It is working. It is working, guys. This is the code. It's working, man. It's working. No worries. No worries. It's working. This is the code. This is what I've written with my own hands. No cheating. No cheating, guys. No cheating. This is the code I've wrote. This code is about, a multiple, I think one to many inheritance. Let's say Disney, Harry Potter, Harry Potter. I mean, this is just a bug, I guess. I'm just, if I click one time, it just click two time. But yeah, it's working, guys. It's working. It's working. No worries, man. No worries. So what I was going to do was ask ChatGPT. Okay, I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Should I use W preschool instead of ChatGPT? Both have the strengths and core components and meant to use helping instructors and that. Ask. Hmm. It says just use W3 school for basics. I mean, ChatGPT is very humble, man. ChatGPT could have said, use me. Instead, he said, use W3 school for basics. Then, have the ability to clarify and expand or help solve problems. That's good. That's cool, man. That's cool. Okay, there is some question. Okay, yesterday I did this try throw catch. I think tomorrow I will do file handling, man. I told I will do file handling today, but I could not again. I could not do it. Oh, yeah. ChatGPT is humble, guys. ChatGPT is humble. Does not take any credit for anything, man. I like that. He could have just used me. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. That's could have, but down to earth, man. Down to earth. Let's respect that. Let's respect. Down to earth. Respect. Respect. Okay, okay, I know this. Okay. So I can do this question also, like where is the use of constructor destructor? Constructor is used for, used for used for what? What is used for constructor? I know destructor. I think destructor is used for clearing memories. Yeah, yeah, man. Could not say. Constructor can be used for clearing memories. Constructor of means of its initial object when it was created, and it says of initial value of the object name. How it's just to remember when you the same name as the class, it's called automatically when you create an object. Purpose is to initialize an object when it is first created. So initialize object should mean to clean up any resources and object might have used before object is removed from the memory. For some purposes might have been much. Okay, this is okay, constructor is used to initialize an object. What happens is that when you are running a code, sometimes some output or garbage values left in the input cin. So before using getLine, it is good practice to use cin dot ignore 100 divide by 100 divide by n. Okay, let me ask. Okay, let me ask. If you are just use it after input type n before getLine. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT clear. Cin dot ignore. Why it's divide by 100, divide by n? What is n? I have not declared any n here, bro. Maybe N, what you are referring to name is used in C++. Looks like you mean C, not ignore. Let's break down what's mean. Okay. Purpose to ignore skip character in the input buffer. The maximum number of characters to ignore is the delimiter at least two stop. Also, it works up to 100 characters or until a new line character is found, whichever comes first. Okay, this is useful to clear only of operating. We're using get line. Okay, okay. So you're saying that clear the input buffer up to new line and see out. See in, see out. Uh, Without seeing the red line might read leftover new line and skip input. Yeah. Oh, so it was like when I did like this publication thing. Hmm. 1,000 new character and okay, okay. So you are saying that where should I put that in? Use it after the input type and before get line. Before there's no get line, get data even. Okay, so you are use in 100. Uh, so use this right. 1,000 is it? Cm dot copy. So I should use this as public. It was happening at publication. So should I use at publication side like this? Before here, should I use like this? No, it doesn't use like what? Wait, what? Okay. Oh, this is supposed to be at main. Supposed to be at main. Okay, supposed to be at main. You were saying this is should be secure at get data here. Use it after input int input type and before get line. Before get lines. There's some there. So if I see, okay, hmm, what's this? Okay, in the publication name, L L L. Okay, so it's like it gives some space for some words, right? Okay, I think this is. So did I use it right? Oh. Understand, understand. Understood, man. This C in is usually taken when there is what says there is usually you tune after C in to clear leftover. So after like after this, if I like, but it should be at main, right? It should be at main. So yeah, understand, man. It should be at main and it should be like int main something like this, and you have taken okay, understood. Understood, man. Thank you, man, for the I've my professor didn't taught me that, so thanks, mate, for some new education. Something new I've learned. I guess it will help me in future, I guess. Write a program to add two objects of distance class with data members free and int values. And what is operator? What is operator overloading? Okay, I think I should kind of learn again operator overloading. It's been 5:30 now here. How many hours did I stream now? It's going to be an hour. So let me just do one last question, okay? One last question. What's should be the question here? Function template. What is function template? I mean, it's a long. I should learn, man. What is function template, right? What is function template? I should learn. There is, I think, a chapter also in my book of C++. Is the function template, file handling, function template, and exception handling. So we have done exception handling. Let's see function template. Okay, function templates. So what is a function template? So what is it? Function templates allow you to write a generic function that works with any type of data. Instead of writing separate functions for int, float, double, etc., you write one template, and the compiler generates the appropriate function based on the data type used. Template type name T. Okay, I remember my professor. Bro, are you Indian? No, bro, that's not Indian, man. You, what's up? Yes, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? It's going good, man. Are you in which college? You are in which college, bro? I am in my own college. Template, type name, T void, register default class, manifold. What is this, man? I mean, what is this? I think my professor has taught me this template. I kind of remember, like, I have some vivid memory of learning this. And this is very new for me. Okay, I like before I did inheritance and inheritance and constructor deconstructor. I think I am very familiar with that. I think I can do some questions of that, but for this function template, I think I cannot do it without some help now. Maybe I should look at W3 school, function template. I should, but let me just see if I understand from this, then I would not. You can pass effectively anything to the template. It's not a type specifier anymore. Okay, so yeah, that's what it says. ChatGPT is saying that you can pass anything. You just don't need to declare it like int, float, or double, like any integers. Like function template for finding maximum of two values. Okay, so max value is TA. T means function, declaring a function, right? TA means T means declaring a function, right? T. Okay, T max value. So T, this is a template, made template, and type name T. So we can write type name C also, right? I think here. And you can write C max value CA, but for better understanding, there's like ChatGPT has wrote T template. So template T max value. That's pretty much all of it. That's it. Means if the question says what is the use of template, then the use of template is that we can pass any uh, variables through it. And it's not a type specific anymore. So templates are about code duplication. The compilers create separate version of the function for each type data. Template arguments can often be reduced automatically, so you don't need to specify in the etc. Yes, I think that's the question. So is there a question for wisdom file question? Practice question for function writer. Okay, write a program to implement function template with multiple arguments. Says, let me see if there is a. First, I need to understand. Okay, now for output is 7. Double. What is the double? Double. We have to specify here or what? Like it's saying return if A is more than B and question mark A is yes, sometimes that perhaps there's sometimes something that perhaps supports a variety of different data types without you having create different instances of it over and over again. Okay. But the thing is we have to declare it in here, right? Like there is empty return here. I thought we have to not uh, write anything, about like if it is int double or character. I just write max value and the number. Sup guys. So what's up, Akira? Welcome to the channel. So yeah, we are discussing about templates, man. So you are saying that we have to declare int here, right? This max int max value TB, and this means let me see what is that? Does this mean actually? This, let me explain clearly. What does it do? Is the third? This is a ternary condition operation. It means A is more than B is true, then return A, else return B. It's short way of writing. Okay, so it's short way of writing. Hmm. Okay, okay. So it's like if A is more than B, then return A or else return B. Okay, that's then we have here max value 10, 10, 10. Okay, let me just copy this code for some experimentation, I would say. Let's copy the code for some experimentation. Okay, there's like type value, save this templates. Now we executing this 7 3 4 5 7 Z 20. Okay, what? Why is it 20? Wait, what? Oh, there's 20 4.5 Z 5. This is what it is. Okay. So what if I don't write this? What if I don't write this? What if I don't write template argument deduction? You omit can omit types. So you are saying we can just delete this. Can just as you can see in the template, don't need to specify cast and can be redundant. Yeah, but why is here doing they are doing here? Can just do this. Okay, let me just save it and then I should do this. Yeah, okay, okay, understood, understood. Okay, let's go. I think I understood it. T max value, TA, TB. We are taking two variable, TA, TB, and return A is equals to B. Okay, let's do something. Okay, give me one. I should write my own code, I should write own code. Give me a question about this. Nah, 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 nah. Okay, write a function in C++, call the function with two floating numbers, call the function. No, give me a question about function template. Okay, the solid question to this on function templates. Okay, so write a function template name swap variables into parameter of any data type and swap their variables. Okay, so call swap values to integers and display their values before and after swapping. Call it with two floats, call it with two strings. Example, hello and world. Try writing them as to hold and swap two variables as a separate. Oh, hell, get out, bro. What is this? What is this question, man? Easy, easy, level easy, level easy. I just want some easy level, man. I just got some concept here now. You're just saying. Is the ternary operation call integer? Okay, like a smaller of 5 and 8 is 5. Okay, okay. I think I can make that maybe. Let me see. Okay. Include IO stream using namespace std. Now we have, I think we have to use template. What was the? You have to use template type name t. Template type name t. And tmax value template type function template for. So we have to declare this template type name t. What if we write your C instead of T? Will it work like this? If I write C instead of T, let's see. If I write C instead of T, will this work? Definitely will work. Definitely. So that means that we have to write. This is important. This is important. So because it's bold letters, so this means this is it's a keyword, right? It's a keyword of C++. So it's keyword of C++. So that means we have to write template type name T for better understanding, right? It's template, so it says template. So T and T max value. We can write anything here. T max value T A, right? So here we are also finding this is effectively an easy question, though T and just asks for reference to an existing instance, something like std string pointer A equals to hello. You can then pass the reference of A and A. That way you could directly write to the reference address. Bro, the thing is, I am very new at pointer and I'm not new. Okay, I have learned in C also, but the concept is kind of not so clear for me. The reference value, address value, and pointers. Though there is a course, there is a chapter, you may say, there is a chapter on that also. I guess I need to, finish that also. I mean, there is pointers. There was, I think, a pointer reference type thing. I guess but I don't know, man. I don't know anything about pointers. But what you were saying just went over my head. What you said, these so late. They were- I mean, it seems like you have a very high knowledge of. Are you like a game developer or something like that? Like you seem like a guy having a very high knowledge on C++, like crazy. Do you do DSA and C++ or what? I mean, it would be very helpful if I have some mentor in this. Find mean T. So it says T find mean. Okay. T find the mean. Then there is T find mean. Then there is we have a T A T B. We have a T A T B. Then we have this and return. We have a ternary operator, which is A is less than and returns a smaller value using a ternary. If A is less than B, then give the answer A or else B. That's it. Okay, this is a template. Okay, this is the template. We have the template here. Now we can just write a main function. Maybe. What do I need to write? Event main cout max 37 and max value. Okay, it gives output. Okay, it gives output. Okay, cout. Okay, so we are at cout find mean uh 3.7 and 7.7 and cout cout find mean 3 and 6 and cout find main. I'm not a game dev per se, but I do mess with games in my free time. So what do you do? What are you, man? Are you a wizard from Harry Potter? Just spawn in my chat. I mean, you do something, right? You are a student or you are a worker, software developer, teacher. I mean, you do know so much about C++. Plus plus. I'm just curious, how do you know about this C++ plus plus thing? Apple, a banana. I wish I was a boy, I wish I was a girl. Like, I need some assistant in this C++ plus plus thing. So, banana is smaller because it has B instead of A. Here is I can just recommend you to look at some documentation for Unreal Engine. Google something like a player controller project world location to screen and see how the engine works. For example, in this, I'm just okay. What case a vector 2D square screen locator is asking for a reference? Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. What? What did you say? Okay. Okay, now I know the template. Okay, I know the template. I think it's time to go, but you just you yes now. What are you talking about now? Okay, let me just search. Okay. Let me just go to my stream and copy paste what you wrote. Okay, it's okay. Let me plus plus that. Now is the chat. Make sure to subscribe, guys. A player controller project wall location to screen. Okay. Okay, I just copy and pasting in my screen right now. Okay, I go there. What's that? Unreal Engine. Okay, Unreal Engine something. Programming and scripting. Okay, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Okay. Programming and scripting. It looks Rubin123 has wrote something here. It says, I'm implementing a screen indicator in the HUD. It always points into the direction of the actor called F1 to give the player an idea what direction to go to. This is no groundbreaking stuff. In theory, this is how I do it. In the tick method of the HUD, what it says, what you said like case F vector 2D screen locator. What is this case vector? Ah, what is going on? Where is case F vector? I don't see case F vector. Case F. This F. Oh yeah, there is like F. Oh yeah, there is F vector is screen location. Oh, F vector is screen location. Constant goal project. Get the screen location. Constant will be project between one and player in C++. Yeah, to first. That is crazy. I don't understand anything in what you're trying to say. Let's say you define STK and SQL WTS function PC project code. Hmm. What? Hmm. So you're saying this, right? Let's say you define STK vector S2D. Let's say you define STK vector F vector 2. That's okay. What tell you to give you as a question there will that where you just take the values from your variables and swap them. So take okay, okay. So you can swap in the variables. Okay, let's say you define STK vector once you call them to as function, please equals equal of to modes and S2D true, and S2D will be returned to and since you pass in slash. Okay, okay. I think it's like we swap into variables define that way. Mhm. It's crazy, man. I think it's crazy how you know so much. I also what language is this? But is this C++ only? That's crazy, man. Is this C++? It's crazy, man. Let me just go here. Six errors in a file. You could actually pass the variable, not just value. Mm-hmm. Okay. It is C++. It is C++. Crazy. This is some uh crazy level C++. User project. I I had made a game, I wanted to show, I had made a game in C sharp, I don't know how did I make it. I made it using, I made it using YouTube videos and crazy thing. Assembly. Is it no C sharp? No, it's not assembly. It's C sharp. Shisha, how can I know? I don't think I can play the game right now. But yeah, it was nice talking to you, man. The solid man. You taught me kind of new thing today. So yeah, I hope you have a great day, Matt. I think it's time for me to go. It's time for me to go. I think I will be back tomorrow again at the same time for learning some C again, man. I think tomorrow I will learn about file handling and pointer. Okay, if I have time. Tomorrow I think I will do kind of long stream than used today because tomorrow I'm going to do about C pointers in C++ and that you talk about swapping variables using pointers. I think that's a question that I need to do is using pointers swap to variables in C++. I think. Yeah, man. Thank you, mate, for the motivation. Yes, man. Just find out by doing random shit. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day. Have a good night, maybe. Yes. Bye bye.